folks, it's me again. Beginning to question about the lights in here. I don't know. I put a couple of thousand lumen lights in here, and it looks like day bright. Looks like daylight in here. It's getting ridiculous. So anyway, let me adjust this camera. All right. This is going to be the weekly What's New. What's new this week? I did pop in a bunch of videos up. Almost done the what do you call it? The barbecue thing. I just gotta get a nice day and paint it. Next video with the barbecue thing I put up a couple of days ago, weeks ago. I don't know what the hell it was. I'm just gonna paint it and I'm gonna light it up and show you what I did with it. And I will probably make a big fat juicy rib roast, steak, whatever. Cut it up and eat it on camera. No, I'm not becoming the barbecue channel. Even though I should, because I've been eating all kinds of beef. What else is new? I got another video coming out with this thing soon. In case you're wondering, what am I doing with this? I'll leave that up to you to figure out. It's an old toy. I have this half, and I have, what do you call it? I'll show you here. I have this half. If you're wondering what the hell I'm going to do with it. Oh, there's something on this thing that I'm going to show you, which is a virtual pain in the ass. So, also I noticed I have to apologize for some of the breathing in the mic. I got to figure out where to put this mic where it won't catch me, because it's a really sensitive mic and you could hear you can hear me breathing really heavy. So I breathe heavy. I'm old. What can I say? So that's new. As soon as the weather gets really nice, I'm going to finish attempting to put the sheet metal circle cutter back together. I have half of it painted and the other half is sitting on the bench. My vapor rust is still a block of ice, so that's going to get done. I'll probably do about 70 million more vice grip videos. In fact, there's one or two I'm going to pick up because I really want. What else? Oh, I have to finish. I started a project before the pandemic, before I was even doing videos, which is sitting on the floor over there for a friend of mine, and I'm going to try to finish that, even though I got to figure out the swivelly part for it. It's sitting over there in pieces. I'm going to try to weld it up and show you. And what else? I'll probably clean my bench again. Probably not in the video. And what else? What else? I don't got any new tools this week because I didn't really buy any tools. I don't really need any new tools this week. I mean, who the hell doesn't need tools, right? But I didn't buy anything exciting. I didn't go out of my way. There's nothing really new. I'm waiting to pick up what am I going to probably pick up? Probably going to pick up some more vice grips, because I always need more vice grips. There's a couple online that I've been eyeballing just because they're different. What else? I'm probably going to pick up a what do you call it? A pencil dispenser. Basically, it's a straw dispenser, but apparently put pencil in it because my kids are slobs. They leave pencils everywhere. What else? I'm going to clean up this mess. I'm probably going to fix the plasma cutter. I will be repairing some gizmo from my house. I'm thinking of buying I probably said this several times, buying a tool chest and moving this crap over, because I would like a toolbox for the milling machine, because I have milling machine tools over here. I got some over there. I got some over there, and I want to put not the milling machine, the lathe tools over there. And I'm thinking also when the spring gets here, I gotta back the Mini out and see if I can get that started. Should be easy to start. Put some fresh gas in it. Check it out. I think last time I had a carburetor problem. I would like to put a brand new carburetor in it, but apparently those are expensive. And maybe I could find a used one. Anybody in the UK have a used Austin Mini? I think it's I don't know what the hell series engine it is. It used to be a 1986 Mini City, so I don't know what the hell. I know it used to have a 8.4 inch disc brake, so it helps figure out what the hell it was a 998 cc. I think it was overboard a little because one of the pistons blew or something, so they overbored it, and it's probably a little bit bigger. I don't know what the hell. It's got a slightly, I think the differential's changed. The speedometer doesn't work properly because it's changed something. I don't know. I don't remember all the details, but I'm going to work on the Mini and make a one of my first car videos. I'm also going to work on the mule because I want to get that running. I have a four-wheeler I picked up that'll be paying for it. Finish paying it off. I'm probably going to do a brake job on the four-wheeler. Apparently needs a battery and some brakes. But I want to get these out of here for now. I'm probably going to build a garage at the other place to put either one or two of these things. Long term, I don't know. I'd like to build another garage and see if I can turn this into a small house for one of my kids one of these days. That'd be nice. What else? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I still have the, what I'm building. As soon as it dries up a little, I'm going to be cutting a, what the hell is it? Hot water tank in half, and I'll be making not a, what is it? Not a forge. Well, it could be used as a forge. A smelter. A propane smelter. I have the burner to test. I have the hose. I have the, what else do I have? I have the idea in the head. And I also have the refractory insulation, and I have two 10-pound things of refractory cement. I have the crucible, and I have no handles to hold the crucible, so I want to make a handle for that. I still will be fixing the what the hell is it again? Sheet metal roller. That's what it is. I'll be tuning up the sheet metal roller, and this one, since it is a lot nicer, I might see if I can fix this one and just flip it because I don't need it, and I will probably fix up one or two arbor presses and flip them because I don't need them. And I'm thinking of moving all my grinding accessories way down there because I have a what do I have over there? I have a bunch of woodworking shit, but I have a belt grinder, I have a die filer, and I'm thinking of moving 2 or 3 of the grinders down there in front of the car because it's just too much shit in the way. I also have to move the arbor press outward. I got to actually put a piece of wood underneath and move it out because when you try to bend something through the hole, it hits my bench, plus the handle's too far back, and I put a piece of wood under because the piece of wood under is ripping out. The thing is so heavy and bulky, it's just going to rip out and probably cause me a lot of foot pain. So anyway, this is a 10-minute thing, so if you're new to the channel, keep watching. I'm always doing strange shit. I have a bunch of shit I'm cutting up too, just demolishing, but I would like to smelt all that copper sometime in the spring and make a copper block. I will be finishing the vice handle soon, a speed handle. I do have I'm going to do 2 speed handles. One I'm going to figure out how to cut a hexagon, I think it is. I'm going to figure out how to cut a hexagon, make a speed handle, and I'm also going to make one with a ratchet thing in there. And this week, on top of that, to make this even longer, I'm going to buy some, what is it called? Safety blue paint. I'm going to get that Kurt Weiss nice and painted. I figured out how to, I don't have a surface plate, so I'm going to, I'm not doing anything to with 5,000th accuracy. And I figure if I grind down the outside and make it shiny, it's not going to affect the 2 jaws as long as I don't grind down the ways? So I'm not going to grind the ways down. I'm just going to grind down the top and make the outside of the top look really nice. And I might do a couple little spot welds whenever things are nicked and bent, but it's nothing major. Because I was looking online, like, oh yeah, be careful, you do all this stuff. And well, you know what? I'm just cleaning up the aesthetic parts, giving it a repaint, paint the inside so it don't rust and oil it. So that's gonna get done soon because I really want a nice Kurt Weiss that's nice and blue. Like I got an ugly freaking King industrial machine, and I wanna. Oh, and I'm gonna try to find somebody to make me a new Kurt sticker. I want a nice Kurt Weiss sticker on there. I have a friend who does stickers, so I'm gonna see if I'll take the measurements and do that. So tonight I'm not doing anything. I'm just like I gotta go over to Border tomorrow and do stuff. I usually go to Border every Wednesdays, pick up American stuff and resell them. If you don't know, I also have a store. I work in there full time. This is just my hobby. Last but not least, I have 1,050 subscribers. Whoever is the 50th subscriber, thank you for subscribing. You're awesome. I will put up more crazy, probably somewhat informative short videos, and I'm going to do some other videos. So in order to make a long weekly update even longer, thank you, good night, thanks for subscribing, and it's been a fun 2 years, and just keep on going. So thanks for watching, and yeah, if you hear any breathing in the mics, I apologize. Some of my earlier videos suck, but you know, hey, they're up there. Turn the volume up. Thanks for watching. Toodles.